dear students, how are you today? Today in the lesson we will read about two big birds. But before, let's check your homework. Number 1, has a crocodile got sharp teeth? Yes, it has. 2, has a monkey got long neck? No, it hasn't. 3, has an elephant got sharp claws? No, it hasn't. Have penguins got short tails? Yes, they have. Have giraffes got trunks? No, they haven't. This is my examples. Yours can be different, but it's okay. If you had problems with homework, you can write these examples. One more time, let's look. Question and answer. If a monkey, so we put has because one monkey. If penguins, so 2 and more penguins, we are asking have. And giraffes, 2 and more, have. Okay, let's continue. Answer the question. What amazing birds do you know? What amazing birds do you know? And what bird has got colorful feather? Colorful feather. What bird has got colorful feather? You know this. This bird is a parrot. Parrot has got colorful feather. Colorful feather. And what bird can swim? Do you know what bird can swim? Let's see. It's a penguin. Penguin can swim. And penguin is a bird. Next, has a penguin got wings? Here they are. Yes, penguin has got wings. Can a penguin fly? No, it can't. Some birds can't fly. Next, open your student's book. Open your student's book at page 118. Let's learn some more birds that can't fly. Okay. Page 118, 119. Two big birds. Now look here. Page 118. Look here. I will make bigger. Here we have two birds. Cassowary and ostrich. Cassowary, ostrich. Here look. This is purple cassowary and green, it is an ostrich. And here is a person. So, ostrich is taller than a person. And ostrich is taller than cassowary. So repeat after me. We have today two birds. One is, repeat after me, cassowary and ostrich. Cassowary and ostrich. Well done. Next. Now let's listen the text. Listen. Then we will read the text and repeat. Now let's listen and read. Listen and read in your books.
Track B27. Activity 12. Listen and read.
Two big birds. Cassowary. The cassowary is an amazing animal. It is big and strong and can live to be 60 years old. It lives in the rainforests in Papua New Guinea and Australia. The cassowary can run really fast, but it can't fly. It can make loud noises, but it can't sing. Watch out! An angry cassowary can kick really hard. Ostrich. The ostrich is an amazing animal too. It is very big and strong and can live to be 50 years old. It lives in the savanna and Sahel areas in Africa. Like the cassowary, the ostrich can run really fast, but it can't fly. It can also go without water for a long time. And yes, it can kick really hard too.
Okay, now let's listen and repeat.
Track B27.
Listen
Activity
and repeat.
12. Listen and read.
2 big birds.
2 big birds.
Cassowary.
Cassowary.
The cassowary is an amazing animal.
Repeating.
It is big and strong and can live to be 60 years old.
Now you reading.
It lives in the rainforests in Papua New Guinea and Australia.
You reading. Next.
The cassowary can run really fast, but it can't fly.
Repeating. Next.
It can make loud noises, but it can't sing. Watch out!
Now you. It can make. And the last.
An angry cassowary can kick really hard.
Repeating. Well done. Next.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
The ostrich is an amazing animal too.
Repeating.
It is very big and strong and can live to be 50 years old.
Repeating. Next.
It lives in the savanna and Sahel areas in Africa.
Repeating. It lives.
Like the cassowary, the ostrich can run really fast.
Repeating. Like the cassowary. Next.
But it can't fly. It can also go without water for a long time.
It can also go without water for a long time. And the last.
And yes, it can kick really hard too.
Repeating. And yes, really hard too. Well done. Now answer the questions. Answer the questions. Look in the text and answer the question. Question number 1. How old can the cassowary live to be? How old cassowary can live to be? Look in the text, cassowary, and how old? For example, here answer 60 years old. 60 years old. Number 2, you answer. Where does it live? Where does cassowary live? Where does it live? Look in the text. Where does it live? It lives in Australia. It lives in Australia. Next, number 3. Can the cassowary run fast? Can the cassowary run fast? Look in the text. The cassowary can run really fast. So, yes, Yes, it can. Next, can the cassowary fly? But it can't fly. It can't fly. No, it can't fly. Now about ostrich. How old can the ostrich live to be? Look in the text to ostrich. To ostrich. Okay, it can live to be 50 years old. 50 years old. And where does it live? Where does it live? It lives in, look in the text, it lives in Africa. Yes, in Africa. Now, can the ostrich run fast? Can the ostrich run fast? Look in the text. Yes, the ostrich can run fast. And can ostrich fly? No, it can't fly. So cassowary and ostrich, they can't fly. They can't fly. Next. Now let's do activities. Let's do activities in your book. Activity 13. In your book's activity 13, match, join the sentence parts, draw lines. Draw lines. Now let's read together. Let's read together. 1, 2, 3. 1. The cassowary and ostrich. The ostrich is. The cassowary is. ABC. Very colorful. Can kick hard and very tall. Okay, now you do the activity. Draw the lines. From numbers to letters. Draw lines. Okay. So let's do together. The cassowary and ostrich. Very colorful. Very colorful. Cassowary is colorful. Ostrich is colorful. No. The cassowary and ostrich can kick hard. So, cassowary can kick hard and ostrich can kick hard. So, 1, B. Draw the line. 1, B. The cassowary and ostrich can kick hard. Number 2. The ostrich is very colorful. No. Very tall? Yes. So, the ostrich is very tall. And the last, the cassowary is very colorful. So, 1, B, 2, C, 3, A. Finishing this activity. And next one, activity 14. Let's read together. Let's read together. Here we have cassowary, ostrich and cassowary and ostrich. Here, what are they different? And here, they are the same. Different and the same. So let's start with the same. The same, cassowary and ostrich. They can run fast. They can't fly. They can kick hard. They can live for a long time. Now, cassowary lives in Australia. Ostrich lives in Africa. Cassowary lives in rainforest and ostrich in dry areas. Cassowary tall, ostrich very tall. Cassowary makes very loud noises and ostrich goes without water for a long time. Okay, now activity 15. Read and write. Read and write. Number 1. Can cassowaries make loud noises? Look here. Cassowary. Okay. Can they make loud noises? makes very loud noises. So, what is the answer? Yes, they can. Let's write. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Writing in your books. Yes, they can. Cassowaries can make loud noises. Okay, number 2. Can ostriches go without water for a long time? Here is ostriches. Can ostriches go without water for a long time? You tell me, yes or no? Yes, they can. They can go without water for a long time. So let's write, yes, they can. Yes, they can. Finishing number 2. Yes, they can. They can go without water for a long time. Number 3. Where do ostriches live? You tell me, where do ostriches live? Here is the ostriches, so they live in Africa. Let's write. They live in Africa. Finishing this, in Africa, ostriches live in Africa, and cassowaries live in Australia. And number 4, the last. Can cassowaries and ostriches fly? You tell me. Yes or no? No, they can't. No, they can't. No, they can't. Cassowaries and ostriches can't fly, but they can run fast. Finishing this activity. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. They live in Africa, and no, they can't. Finishing this. At home, read one more time text about 2 big birds, about cassowary, ostrich. And for now, that's all. Thank you so much for the lesson. See you.